everyone! Welcome back to our channel. And today we're going to make another chicken fry recipe. It's called honey butter fried chicken. These are the ingredients. Let's get it started off. Place the chicken into large bowl and season it with pepper and salt. And add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and mix. Next, in a small bowl, add a 1.5 tablespoon of sugar. You can also use a white sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, and a 3 tablespoons of honey. One tablespoon of Worcester sauce and 5 tablespoons of water, and let's mix. Now let's add a 1 cup of frying powder to the chicken and water, then mix it well. Then coat the chicken into 1/2 cup of frying powder. Coat it well. Now let's fry the chicken, setting it into high-medium flame. We're going to fry the chicken 2 times to make extra crispy. After the first frying, remove it from the oil. Make sure to remove the excess oil. And wait the temperature to come up again. And add the chicken for second frying. After finish frying, remove it to the oil and set aside. Then, to make the honey sauce done, melt a 50-gram butter to the hot pan and add a 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and stir. Now let's add the sauce. And add a 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Let the sauce become thickened and add the fried chicken. And mix and place it into the plate. And now it's done! If you like this recipe, you may also watch the other version of fried chicken. Check it out to our channel, Yamyong Korean style fried chicken and kampungi. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a good day.